Decompression back belts have gained popularity as a non-invasive solution for relieving back pain. Designed to provide targeted support and spinal decompression, these belts claim to alleviate pressure on the intervertebral discs, promote proper alignment, and improve posture. User reviews indicate mixed results. Some individuals report significant pain reduction, increased mobility, and improved quality of life. They appreciate the adjustable features, ease of use, and comfort provided by the belts. However, others express skepticism about their effectiveness, stating that the relief is temporary and not substantial enough. Some users also highlight the importance of combining belt usage with other treatments, such as physical therapy or exercises, for better long-term results. Overall, decompression back belts seem to offer a potential solution for temporary pain relief, but individual experiences may vary. It is advisable to consult a healthcare professional before using such devices. Welcome, everyone. Join me in this video as we explore the latest decompression back belts, highlighting their incredible features and benefits. Subscribe and like for future updates. Let's dive in and uncover the greatness. After a rigorous evaluation process, Kabandn has secured the 5th position in our assessment. This impressive product offers a range of features aimed at delivering comprehensive pain relief and muscle relaxation while reducing lower back pressure. By combining 3 heat and vibration mode settings with pneumatic traction decompression therapy, it effectively targets and alleviates low back pain and fatigue. The carbon fiber heating technology enhances local blood circulation, providing relief from within. With 3 heating settings and 3 vibration massage timing modes, users can customize their experience to suit their needs. Equipped with a 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers a substantial working time of 80 to 160 minutes on a full charge, and even more if used periodically. The belt, suitable for waistlines between 29 to 49 inches, can be extended with a cushion to support a maximum waistline of 49 inches. Whether you're engaging in sports, traveling, working, resting, or driving, this belt can be worn without hindering your activities. It allows independent operation for traction, heat, and massage, giving users full control over their pain relief therapy. GINEKOO has secured the 4th position on our esteemed list, earning high ratings as an exceptional product. This lumbar lower traction belt offers extensive waist protection with its larger coverage area. It features multiple air traction pillars on the back of the belt that, upon inflation, exert traction force on the lumbar vertebrae. The more traction applied, the greater the support and strength provided. Designed with an ergonomic approach, the belt follows an antic shape that aligns with the natural curve of the waist, offering robust support. By reducing the pressure on the inflatable back traction, this lumbar decompression belt provides relief and allows for better rest for the damaged lumbar fibrous ring. Long periods of sitting can lead to back pain and poor posture, impacting one's confidence and appearance. With this back traction belt, you can regain your confidence. Compared to frequent hospital visits, this decompression lumbar support belt offers an easier and more cost-effective solution. It can also serve as a thoughtful gift for parents and friends who suffer from low back pain. This physical decompression back belt adopts a conservative and healthy approach by employing external traction physical treatment to gently expand the intervertebral space. It does not cause harm to the muscles of the waist. The BLITZU brand has successfully secured the 3rd position on our list of highly rated items. This back brace is a top-selling product renowned and recommended by physical therapists, chiropractors, and back pain professionals worldwide. It offers immediate relief from various types of back pain, including sciatica, lower back pain, upper back pain, herniated discs, and back muscle pain. Engineered with specially designed contours, our lumbar support pad snugly fits your back, delivering optimal support to the lumbar region and ensuring maximum back pain relief. It naturally conforms to alleviate lower back pressure and provides additional support for individuals who work, stand, or sit for extended periods. The BLITZU back support belt is equipped with 4 aluminum vertical support stays and 2 steel springs, offering ample support to the lower back area for proper posture and spinal alignment during daily activities such as workouts, heavy lifting, gardening, or housework. The medical-grade back brace incorporates 2 adjustable double-pull Velcro tensions, enabling targeted support and delivering superior compression and stabilization from the L1 through S1 vertebrae, minimizing lower back movement and preventing injuries. The BLITZU back brace provides immediate and long-lasting relief from herniated discs, sciatica, back pain, sore muscles, and other back conditions. You can wear it while walking, bending, or stretching, enjoying the freedom of movement it offers. The Goldmill brand has secured the 2nd spot on our prestigious top list with their exceptional product. Scientifically proven to be more effective and safer than traditional heating therapy, it provides deeper penetration into the skin without causing any skin injuries. The heated lumbar support is equipped with a built-in 4000 mAh rechargeable battery, offering the convenience of using it anytime and anywhere without the constraints of a power cord. When fully charged, it can be used continuously for approximately 3 to 5 hours. This product provides immediate and lasting relief from various back discomforts, including herniated discs, sciatica, stiffness, back pain, and sore muscles. The waist belt is designed to anchor below the rib cage, providing stable support and gently lifting the torso while exerting downward pressure on the hip bone during the inflation process. This action vertically stretches the torso, relieving stress from the affected disc and nerve. The belt offers 3 heating settings, low, medium, high, and 3 timing options, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, for personalized selection. Choose high heating for quick warmth and low heating with 45 minutes timing for maintaining a specific temperature during use. The heating material is crafted from carbon fiber, which is not only safer but also softer and healthier than traditional heating methods. With the extension pad, the belt can comfortably support waistlines of up to 49 inches. Claiming the top position on our list, the GINEKOO brand's product stands as the highest-ranked item. This decompression belt, when inflated, gently expands both upwards and downwards, providing stretching to the back muscles and relieving the burden on the ligaments. This allows the damaged lumbar spine to receive adequate rest. The lumbar traction offered by this belt reduces muscle fatigue and swelling, improves circulation, and provides relief from conditions such as herniated discs and sciatica. Individuals of all ages can experience long-lasting back pain relief with this physio belt, which can be used during various activities or while resting and relaxing, including walking, sitting, lying down, gardening, golfing, working, or driving. The key valve is securely attached to the belt with an elastic band, ensuring that you can deflate the belt at any time while keeping the hose in optimal condition. There is no need to worry about misplacing the key. Additionally, the belt can be easily inflated by clamping the air tube with the provided air pump. The length of the belt can be adjusted using the included extension pad, making it suitable for waist sizes ranging from 29 to 49 inches. It is easy to wear and fits most individuals. This belt can also be presented as a thoughtful gift to parents and friends. It conforms to the curvature of the human spine, corrects abnormal lumbar curvature, eliminates compression, and allows the injured lumbar spine to rest fully. We appreciate your input. Please share your thoughts on the decompression back belt that caught your attention in the comments section below. Your feedback is valuable and will assist us in improving our content. Thank you for actively engaging with us.